Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Today we're doing fish on the George Foreman grill. This is Swahi or Swahi, however you pronounce it. And yes, I know it says remove from bag before thawing, but I never do. But it's quick and it's simple. What we're going to do, you're going to need a plate, some paper towels. Now, I did do a fish recipe before, but that was for in the oven. This is on the George Foreman grill. I really like the George Foreman grill. It's quick, simple, easy. In an oven, it seems like everything takes longer. And with the George Foreman grill, it's better than using a frying pan because you cook both sides at once. Cut open your bag. Drain out any liquid. Lay your fish on a paper towel. Get some more paper towel. We're just trying to get some of the moisture off of it. Now, I found it best when using cooking spray to preheat your grill, then spray it. Seems to stick better. You're going to take it, spray it. Now, you can use garlic powder and Parmesan cheese. Just use parsley if you want to. Just use salt and pepper. Or just use Old Bay. It's up to you. There's no real set rules. If you got more than one person, unlike me, have everybody make up their own, however they want it. Take it, put it on the grill. There you go. Give it a little spray. Close it. Go ahead, open up another one. We're going to flip this over since it already has Old Bay on it. Now what I should have probably done was just did both sides on the plate instead of doing one side on the grill. Let's go ahead, add some parsley flakes to it. Flip it over. Try not to grab your paper towel at the same time. This way. It'd be better if that parsley container actually had a shaker bottle. Or a shaker top, I should say. Check your fish. Now you want that to look white. You see how it's starting to kind of look white, but it's kind of like translucent. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. You see how it's flaking? Just take this off. You can do it longer if you want to. It's up to you. Put it on the plate. Remember to spray your grill before putting the next piece on. Stick our next piece on. There we go. Get yourself some clean paper towels and do another piece. I'm doing dinner for the week, so I'm going to have a bunch of different flavors because I'm going to do about 5 pieces of fish. Notice I didn't give you an exact time. That's because different fish are going to take different times, bigger, thicker. But if you go ahead and try this, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.